Across the street from the Leonardtown Courthouse is Camalier House.
The 26th, we're going to have the 6th annual art auction for the benefit of Three Oaks Center.
Hey, welcome to Warmth. I am Mary Owens. I am one of the co-chairs of the Warmth Art Show and Silent Auction with my sister Jackie Lancaster. We'll probably take in about 300 pieces of original artwork. It will all be hung within the house. The important part of Warmth is that we have a silent auction. This is one of the pieces that we will have at the silent auction. And all of the proceeds from the silent auction go to the Three Oaks Center. So it's a great fundraising operation. Quite a range. We have everything from note cards for $5 to all kinds of jewelry. We'll have pottery and ceramics. We'll have little purses. We have all kinds of fiber arts, little scarves and hats. We have just a very, very talented artist base in Southern Maryland. Wide variety of artists doing a lot of different types of work, so there really is something for everyone.
22635 Washington Street.
In Leonardtown, Maryland.